Madison Heights, Michigan, experiences a range of weather conditions throughout the year: hot summers, snowy winters, and occasional storms, which can take a toll on your roof. While roofing materials are designed to protect your home, they are not impervious to damage. As a homeowner in Madison Heights, it's crucial to recognize common roofing problems early to prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. Leaks and water damage. Water leaks are one of the most common and most damaging roofing issues. In Madison Heights, heavy rainfall and snow accumulation during the winter months can lead to leaks if your roof is not properly sealed. Leaks can appear as water stains on ceilings or walls and can lead to mold growth, rotting wood, and structural damage if left untreated. How to fix it? If you notice water stains inside your home, you should immediately inspect your roof for damaged shingles or flashing. Leaks often occur at joints, valleys, or around chimneys and skylights. If you're not comfortable inspecting your roof yourself, hiring a professional roofer is advisable. Roof repairs might involve replacing damaged shingles, resealing flashing, or applying waterproof coatings. In cases where the leaks are extensive, a complete roof replacement may be necessary. Damaged or missing shingles can become damaged over time due to extreme weather conditions such as hail, windstorms, or ice buildup during winter months. Missing shingles leave your roof vulnerable to water infiltration and further damage. Additionally, damaged shingles may compromise the overall aesthetic of your home. How to fix it? Replacing damaged or missing shingles is a relatively straightforward repair. You can replace individual shingles by carefully lifting the surrounding shingles and securing the new one with roofing nails. If multiple shingles are damaged, it might be worth considering a larger roof repair or even a full replacement. Be sure to use shingles that match your roof's color and style for a seamless repair. In some cases, professionals may need to replace the underlayment as well. Clogged gutters. Clogged gutters are a common roofing issue, especially during fall when leaves and debris accumulate. Gutters direct rainwater away from the roof and foundation of your home. When gutters become clogged, water can back up onto the roof, leading to water damage and even ice dams in the winter. Ice dams form when water from clogged gutters freezes at the edge of the roof, potentially causing leaks and structural issues. How to fix it? Regular gutter cleaning is the best way to prevent clogs. It's recommended to clean your gutters at least twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. If you're not comfortable cleaning the gutters yourself, hiring a roofing professional is a good option. For homeowners who want to prevent future clogs, installing gutter guards can be a long-term solution. Poor roof ventilation. Inadequate ventilation in your attic can lead to a variety of roofing problems, such as overheating, moisture buildup, and ice dams in the winter. Poor ventilation also accelerates the aging of shingles, causing them to crack or curl. How to fix it? Ensure that your attic has proper ventilation to allow air to flow through the space. This includes soffit vents, ridge vents, or gable vents. If you notice that your attic is excessively hot or humid, you may need to add or adjust your ventilation system. A roofing professional can help assess your home's ventilation needs and recommend appropriate solutions. Roof granule loss. If you have an asphalt shingle roof, you may notice granules in your gutters or around your downspouts. Granules provide protection to the shingles by reflecting sunlight and protecting against UV rays. Over time, shingles naturally lose granules due to weathering, but significant granule loss could indicate that your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan. How to fix it? If you notice significant granule loss, it's time to inspect your shingles closely. If only a few shingles are affected, they can be replaced. However, widespread granule loss is a sign that your roof may need a full replacement. An experienced roofer can help determine if your roof needs repair or replacement. Moss and algae growth. Moss and algae thrive on roofs in areas with high humidity, such as during the spring and summer months in Madison Heights. While algae typically appears as dark streaks, moss can create a spongy layer on your shingles that traps moisture and leads to decay. How to fix it? Moss and algae can be removed using a cleaning solution or a pressure washer, but this should be done carefully to avoid damaging the shingles. For long-term prevention, installing zinc or copper strips along the ridge of your roof can help deter moss and algae growth. A professional roof cleaning service can help you safely remove moss and algae from your roof. Conclusion: taking care of your roof is essential to maintaining the safety, comfort, and value of your home in Madison Heights. Regular maintenance, such as inspecting for leaks, cleaning gutters, and ensuring proper ventilation, can help prevent many common roofing issues. If you encounter any significant problems, it's important to consult with a professional roofer who can provide expert advice and quality repairs. By addressing roofing problems early, you can ensure your home is protected from the elements for years to come.